Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality business listing backlink. So the website name is bizcommunity.com. So this is a website URL and this is a website dashboard, and this is a very high authoritative website. So that makes sense to you guys will create your business listing on this site. So before the starter, we can do some research about this site. So according to HREF, the domain rating is 80, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 79, and the spam score is only 2%. And if we can check this website traffic source, so according to SimilarWeb, this website having a 537.7k monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from South Africa, India, USA, UK, and Namibia. So that kind of country traffic this website having. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will consider this site for your backlinking. Okay, so now we can start. So this is a website dashboard. So you can hover on the setting icon, and you will see there is a my profile. You can click on this. You can click on the create a profile, and there you can add your email address, and after that you can click on the sign up button. There you can add your login details. So login details should be the Mandeep Singh Sodhi, and there you guys will choose your password. After that you can select your category. So we are HR and the management. You can select this. Receive monthly with email with status of your account. Okay, then after that you can click on the robot verification and click on the sign up button, and after that this site will send you the verification email. So you guys will check your Gmail box. So I received. You can click on the verify your email address, verify captcha, click on the verify your email address. So here it is, our account is verified. Click on this, click on the my profile. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. Back privacy setting. Okay, I guess there is something happening. Edit profile, let me see. Yeah, so you can hover this, click on the edit profile, and you guys will update your profile details. Suppose that we are from United States. Our company is based in United States. There you can add you can select your industry, so human resource management. After that you can add your job title. So senior SEO executive. There you can add a company name. So company name is Jobma. Professional headline. Okay, after that you can verify the captcha. Click on the continue, and this is a person type. Okay, after that you can click on the to list your company. Click here. You can click on this. You can select the free plan setup. Yeah, so here it is, we can list our company. So you can add your company name. You can select your industry. So our industry is human resource management, HR, and there you can add a video, your main keyword if align with, if possible. So you can also add your targeted keyword that could be the make sense to what is your business, what about your business. Video interview, virtual interviewing software. There you can add number of employees. So number of employees is 300. Website address, telephone, mobile. Yeah, okay. So here it is. We can add our website URL. Company name is Jobma. Primary business, virtual video interview software. You can select your label. There you can add your services. When you guys are adding services, make sure you can add two words. So one way interviewing, there we can add our another services. So another services is live video interviewing, live video monitoring, live video screening, live videogramming, live video monitoring. Okay. Coding assessment, coding assessments. Okay. Written AI in AI in hiring, in hiring, and the pre-recorded interview, recorded interview. And there we can add our company description. So company description should be under 50 words. Okay. There you can add your country. So business country, business location country is United States. Company contact name, so contact name is Wahida. Telephone should be, we can use this number. Okay. In the address line we can add our address. So address is this. Address line, postal address, physical address. Okay. Mintonka. City is Mintonka. Let me remove this. Postal code province is Minnesota. Postal code is 55305. Can I add my Google Map embed code? Jobma, and if I can check the direction. Okay, so how should we add? Google Map. Let me open this, and this is our address. If I can search this, Okay, so let me remove this for now. Map code, how we can. Okay, and the another thing is this is a invite dashboard, so we can ignore these things. Either after we can click on the continue button. So your company is successfully submitted and they're waiting for the approval, but they will approve your listing instantly. They cannot take as much time. So you can click on the my profile. I guess privacy setting not found. I guess, is there any privacy settings? Let me upload this profile picture. Okay, so next what we can do, we can click on this, and this is our profile, and where are listed my company. You can click on this my companies, and you will see this is our listing. So simply you can click on the your icon, profile icon. You can click here directly. You can navigate to the my company. Again you can click on the my company, and you will see this is your company listing. And if you can click on the view, so this is your business listing landing page URL. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved business listing backlink or not. So this is an instant approved backlink, and if I can check, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is a no follow, but the thing is we have listed our business over there. So overall this is the process for the business listing on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide you social details over the description section. From there you guys can go on to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.